Hi guys, happy Wacky Wednesday! It's wacky, it's Wednesday, it's wacky, it's Wednesday, Wacky Wednesday! Alright, today on Wacky Wednesday we are going to be scientists with a red cabbage. I know it's purple, but we call them red cabbages. Probably we should write letters and explain to people, that's purple, why are you calling this a red cabbage? But they do. So I'm going to show you how to use a red cabbage to become a scientific detective around your home. We are going to discover what these liquids are that we have in our home, because some of them are acids and some of them are bases. Now we know that a chemical reaction happens when you combine an acid and a base, because we've done some experiments doing just that, combining baking soda and vinegar, and we get these bubbles that blew up our balloon, if you remember. So acids and bases are everywhere, and we give things a number based on their pH. Now acids have a very low pH. A pH can be anywhere from 1 to 14. The acids are between 1 and 6. 7 is neutral, and the bases are between 8 and 14. So, what are these liquids in our homes? Are they acids? Are they bases? Are they neutral? I want you to do some detective work. Do you have vinegar? We're going to test that. Lemon juice? We're testing that too. Body wash or any kind of soap? Testing that too. Baking soda? Let's test that too. We can also test water, laundry detergent. It could go on and on. But let me show you how you're going to turn this red cabbage into a pH indicator, which is going to tell us, does it have a low pH and is it an acid? Or does it have a high pH and is it a base? All right, let's get started. Happy Wacky Wednesday. Okay, we begin by putting large red cabbage leaves into the blender. And then we're going to add about 3 cups of water. It's about 2.5. That's about 3. I'm going to put on our top. Now we're going to strain the red cabbage juice. Pouring it through a strainer. This is foam. Very slushy. So I'm going to try and push some of the juice out of the slush. And then I'm going to compost the slush. So what we have left is purple red cabbage juice that we're going to use to test if something is an acid or a base. All right, let's get started. Okay, now that we have our red cabbage indicator solution, we're going to test some different liquids to see if they are acids or bases. We're going to test vinegar, which is in this jar glass, lemon juice, which I put in this glass, baking soda, which I've mixed with water in this glass, and body wash, which has its own pink color, so that might affect the results. But I put it with some water into this glass. Now, when we add our pH indicator, red cabbage juice, if it's an acid, we're going to expect it to be pink. If it's a base, we're going to expect it to turn blue. So let's start with the vinegar. That's pink, so that's an acid. Let's do the baking soda next. That's a base that turned blue. All right, let's try the lemon juice. That's another acid that turned pink. The last one we're going to try is the body wash, which is already a little bit pink because of dyes. What do you think it will be? Is it an acid, or do you think it's a base? It's soap. Let's take a look. Interesting. It's kind of a combination between pink and blue. What happens if I add a little bit more? Nope, that's pretty purple. So I think with this, we know that these two are acids. This is a base, and purple is neutral. So if it's an acid, it has a pH of between 1 and 6. And neutral has a pH of 7. And bases have pHs that go from 8 up to 14. The highest number is 14. All right, try it at home. Make yourself some red cabbage pH indicator and test some liquids in your house.